Hey there guys, Chet here. When you run a service business, getting new customers to book you online is critical. But what happens after they book? There are specialized tools that focus almost entirely on the booking experience, like BookingKoala. And there are complete platforms that manage your whole business, like Jobber. This creates a really important question. Do you need a great booking tool, or do you need a great tool for managing your entire business from start to finish? Well, good questions. In this video, we're going to compare Jobber and BookingKoala directly so that you can decide which one is the right choice to help you run and grow your business. And by the way, if you would like to sign up for Jobber, make sure to use the link that I put down in the description to get access to a special limited time discount where you can save up to 30%. As you can see right there on your screen, anyone who signs up for the annual plan will get 15% off their first year, and if you choose the monthly plan, you'll receive 30% off your first 3 months. I do hope that you're not too late to grab this amazing offer, but if you are, don't worry. I'm also giving away my custom Notion templates to help you stay organized from day one. These templates are valued at more than $900, but again, you're going to get them completely free when you sign up using my link. And that is a thank you for supporting the channel. And with that in mind, let's get started. First up, let's talk about the core features of each platform. BookingKoala is up first. It's famous for one thing above all else: its powerful and flexible online booking form. It allows you to create very detailed forms with lots of different pricing options and custom extras. It is an excellent tool if your number one goal is to have the most advanced booking experience possible on your website, especially for appointment-based businesses like cleaning services. Now, Jobber, on the other hand, focuses on the entire business workflow, not just one single part of it. While Jobber also has a great online booking feature list, its main strength is what happens after that initial booking. It seamlessly connects that new job to your schedule, to your team in the field, to your quoting and invoicing process, and to your ongoing communication with the customer. Jobber is not just a booking tool, it is a complete business management system. It provides a smooth and professional experience from the first click on your website all the way to the final payment. This brings us to the topic of ease of use. Now, because BookingKoala is so focused on its detailed forms, setting them up can be a bit complex with many different settings to learn. The rest of the platform can also feel less straightforward for managing the day-to-day parts of the job. This is an area where Jobber really stands out. The entire Jobber platform, from the first quote to the final invoice, is designed to be incredibly easy to use. The interface is clean and modern, which makes training your team simple and fast. When your software is easy for your team to use on their phones out in the field, they will use it correctly. This leads to fewer mistakes, better communication with your customers, and a more organized business overall. Finally, let's take a look at the features that help you grow your business and build customer relationships. BookingKoala is very good at the transaction of scheduling a job. Jobber actually goes much further. It is designed to help you build long-term relationships with your customers. Jobber has powerful features to automatically send follow-up emails after you send a quote, which will help you win more jobs. It can also automatically ask your happy customers for a 5-star review after a job is complete, which helps you build your online reputation. These are the kinds of professional features that help you build a real brand, not just get one-time bookings. So which one should you choose? Well, if your business is built entirely around having the most complex and detailed online booking form imaginable, and that is your only and main priority, then BookingKoala is a powerful specialist tool for that one job. But for nearly any service business that needs to manage its entire operation, from the first customer contact to the final payment and a great review, Jobber is the far superior choice. It is a complete, professional, and easy-to-use platform designed to really help you grow. If you're ready to use Jobber, also, please don't forget to use that link down there in the description to get that special discount, and you'll also get my Notion templates completely free. Those are worth more than $900. That's just my way of saying thank you for watching and supporting the channel. All right, that's it for this comparison. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.